If you forgot your iPhone passcode and are locked out, don't panic. You can still restore your device using a computer. First, make sure your iPhone is not connected to your computer. Now put your iPhone into recovery mode. Just press and quickly release volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Next, connect your iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. If you're on a Mac with Mac OS Catalina or later, open Finder. Or if you're using an older Mac or Windows, open iTunes. Then you will see a prompt to restore or update your iPhone. Choose Restore from the options. This will erase your device and install the latest iOS. Once it finishes, you can set up your iPhone as new or restore from a backup. And that's all. You've got access to your iPhone again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.